No?
Nope. I feel a little stuck, but it should come out. Next, you want to pull out these screws right here. It's easier if they turn the wheel. Do it all the way. Diagonally that way, so it comes out of the headlight. Just be careful with it. Some clips. We're gonna loosen this bolt. This one's for the grill assembly. One on each side. Oh yeah. These. It might be the same size. Check it out. So it's gonna be all these four right here. Try it might be a 10. I'm missing one. So it's gonna be 4 of them, but I'm missing one right here. This is like the 3rd time I do this. I change out the grills. Oh, I was thinking about putting on the other grill I have. That shit might take forever though, so I'll probably just leave this one.
Sorry.
Nah, next time.
I mean, you're here already.
If we don't run out of light, it's gonna have to 5.0 failed. Do want to get a new filter because I got this used. G35. I'll put these right here. Nah, it should be nothing else left after this. So plugs easily come off. And you're gonna pull the grill off. Just pull it out. Now it's off. Now you're gonna get this big clip. Just pull this up. ¿Cuál? Esa sí es la nueva. No, ya la tenía atrás. Sí.
One eternity later.
I don't know if you have these. I have many like 22 bolts. It's gonna be these 3 right here. 1, 2, and 3 on both sides. Yeah, the big ass ones, these 3. With those. 16. There's a 13, 16. I almost forgot you gotta take out this little clip. Just lift it up with your fingernails. Lift this part up. Or with the flathead, pull it right out. And this one's for the hair dam. I don't have a hair dam, so I just have Alright, we're taking off all the 13mm bolts. Gonna remove one side, then we're gonna leave one side. Fog lights out already. We're gonna leave one side just so we could have something to go off of as we transfer it to the other bumper. You are gonna need to remove these clips also. Put the weather stripping, the top and the bottom. And after that, we're gonna run the cord inside of the bumper. 10mm bolts on the bottom. How many does it have? One. Oh, it's all under here too. Alright, now I have everything off the old one. And I'm going to transfer it onto the new bumper. Little wipe down, but overall it's in good shape. I think this was the only little thing it had on it. I could probably hammer that back into place. Overall it's not too bad. Just could use a little polish to wipe down. Alright.
Did you post that one that with me in the background?
No, yeah, I'll probably post it soon. Almost done. This is how we routed these right here. They tap it on right here in the top. Last one. And we're gonna run it. I believe right here, yeah, right there. And these clip in right here. No, this one clips in right here, so it can stay where it should be. Yep, almost done. We will be putting my lariat grill on again. Alright, bumpers on. Fog lights seem to match up, but just time to install the trims. Alright, so here's the new trim, got it off eBay. Comes with some little clips. And clip it in place. On this trim, right here. This one is actually from the Eco Boost. It doesn't come stock on the 5.0s, but I like this one better. It has the little lines. I don't know, it just looks a little cooler in my opinion. And it also comes with clips. This one didn't come with any clips for these, so we're just going to reuse the old ones. Here's a finished product. Fresh new bumper. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I also put the new grill on. I'll swap back to that one for a change. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's that easy to fix your bumper. You could do it. Alright, so as you can see, the bumper is back on, but as a result from the hit, it is a little it does have a little bit of bumper sag. So I will be showing you guys how to fix that in the next video. It's a real easy fix. All it is basically it's like it's not the frame, but it's connected to the frame, and it's meant to give in. That way the frame doesn't get damaged. So it's pretty much like pushback. I'll show you guys in the next video how to fix this. It's a real easy fix. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.